For those of you out there who never leave the house, it might be a good idea to keep doing that. I happen to go to the grocery store today, and I'm starting to see some of the effects of the Italian Calderona virus. I can only call it that because if I call it the real thing, Susan will come and take my money.
Stop, Edo.
So hopefully that will ward her off. Anyway, we went to the grocery store because St. Emmanuel's Day is coming up. We needed the corned beef and cabbage and all that. And that they had. They had plenty of it. And as we're going through the store, I've been hearing and seeing on the news about toilet paper shortages. Now, last I knew, toilet paper does not make a good mask. So I don't know why people are buying that out. I can't figure that one. But they are. And I said, hey, you know, while we're in the store, let's actually go look and see what the deal is. And, well, take a look for yourself at how abysmal this store actually looked. For anybody who's been living under a rock, here's the paper aisle. There's a couple of bulk stacks of paper towels, and that's about it. I think there's some Charmin all the way at the end there. If you can see it right there. But other than that, it's picked clean. There's also a billion people here shopping. And that's interesting because they put a lot of people on work from home status. So there's a billion people. And even down there, even the paper plates are looking a bit thin. Yeah, there's just nothing. What's that? Even the babies are suffering. People are buying these out also. Empty end caps. Well, there's a couple of holes. There's plenty of fucking Tide Pods for your toddlers, so they don't have to go hungry. So I don't know what the deal is with that, but the bleach is about gone. Soap is running low, and there's a sign. They're buying out just about anything that says bleach on it anywhere. Yeah, look at all these wonderful things you could have bought. All these wonderful things you could have bought. But no, no, no. Gotta be gaming. Gotta be gaming. As soon as this game is over and then you start winning, all you gamers out there... Oh wait, you don't go to the store anyway. The chicken is completely gone. You can't buy any. So I don't know what the hell the deal is with this. This is, I'm sure they're just moving it. I mean, that's kind of ridiculous because there's plenty of other stuff. Even the orange juice is running thin. This is pretty friggin' sad. No, I think I might be mistaken. There's really not much of anything, even in here. Really very little. Freezer case? Don't mind if I do. Pretty empty in there too. No one's eating the spices. I don't know, people. Get with it. Baking goods are just about gone. Not much flour or sugar or anything like that. Even the fucking syrup is like gone. But there's one good thing. I'm still in stock. So that's nice to know. Take your safety with the Calderona virus very seriously. That's why no one is manning the cart of the dirty Calderona virus water, duty water. But I blame the media for causing such a mass hysteria like this.
I gotta get the gloves and soap. I gotta sing happy birthday while washing my hands for 20 seconds.
As of March 13th, See, this is why dates are important in your video. As of March 13th, 2020, there are 421 confirmed cases. However, 8.6 million people live in New York. So what's 420 out of 8.6 million? Let's put it in terms of dollars. You win the lottery. You get $8.6 million. Hey, can I borrow 421 bucks? You wipe your ass with $500 bills. Oh, we ought to start doing that. This mass hysteria has got to stop, and I don't understand what the hell the deal is with the toilet paper and the bottled water. First of all, I've been drinking water out of the faucet for 40 years, and I haven't died yet. Okay, so all you people with your bottled water are crazy. And if you insist on drinking the bottled water, isn't that something essential for life? Shouldn't you have like a room in your house stockpiled with frickin' water to start with, so you don't have to go to the store and make everybody else go thirsty and die? Because we all need water, right? Cut it out, people. It's not as big of a deal as you think it is, and as the media portrays it to be. Think for yourself. Anyway, put down in the comments what you think about this. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.